Hello again. Low pressure continuing to dominate the UK's weather as we head into this weekend. A band of rain across northern parts falling as snow in the hills of Scotland this morning, and down to the southwest, a low pressure system introducing strong gusty winds and heavy rain to the southwest of England and Wales by the end of this afternoon and into this evening. Elsewhere, we'll see further damp, windy conditions with further snowfall expected overnight tonight in the hills of Scotland, and that wet and windy weather continuing to feed into southern and western parts of the UK through tonight and for much of tomorrow as well. Saturday will be another wet day for the northeast of Scotland, with warnings in place for much of the weekend. Many parts of England and Wales enjoying brighter conditions, but for western areas it remains very breezy, with further spells of rain on already saturated ground in the southwest. Temperatures across the board this weekend will be around average for the time of year, with some chillier nights in the north. Bye-bye. Hello again, welcome to the weekend. Low pressure continues to dominate through the rest of this week and into next, a colder feel for many of us. But over the next couple of days, heavy spells of rain at times, some strong winds continuing, with a few bright spells to look forward to through Saturday and Sunday. Low pressure to the southwest of the UK, generating some strong and gusty winds for parts of Wales and the southwest of England as we head through tonight and into tomorrow. Rain never far away from that part of the world, with more rainfall across northern and eastern parts of Scotland, falling as snow on higher ground, a meeting of mild air and cold air across the UK in coming days. Back to this evening's details, and we will see further snowfall on the hills of Scotland, a damp night across northern parts of the UK, with the presence of that low pressure to the southwest reintroducing further spells of showery rain overnight tonight. Winds gusty for a time, but beginning to ease off a little before dawn, and most places will be free from frost across England, Wales and Northern Ireland at least before Saturday morning. On to the details for Saturday, and it's a wet day for the northeast of Scotland yet again. Already saturated ground, and further spells of rain this weekend will no doubt lead to some surface water and flooding problems in that area. And the presence of low pressure to the southwest continues to push in showers for many parts of the southwest of England and Wales, perhaps nudging into Northern Ireland at times. For the bulk of England and Wales, though, it will be a drier and brighter day with temperatures around average for the time of year. Sunday, rather cloudy conditions for many of us, bits and pieces of drizzle, but again, it isn't going to be particularly chilly. Take care. Hello again. Low pressure dominates our weather this weekend, and across the UK there'll be further spells of heavy rain in places, with strong winds at times and a few bright spells to look forward to in coming days. Heavy rain across parts of northeast Scotland continuing tonight and for much of the weekend, also for the north of England, and down to the southwest, further blustery showers feeding into the southwest of England, Wales and parts of Northern Ireland for a time tonight, continuing into tomorrow. We're largely frost-free as we start the day tomorrow, with further rainfall across northern areas and continuing with this unsettled band of showers and strong gusty winds in the southwest through the course of the day. Many parts of England and Wales will enjoy a bit more brightness through the day tomorrow, and drier conditions for eastern counties, with temperatures at around 8 or 9 Celsius. They're about average for the time of year. On to the details for Sunday and beyond. Rather cloudy conditions perhaps to end the weekend, and next week turning a little colder. Good night.